Hey Siri, find me a newly built 5-bedroom home, upgraded features throughout, fully fenced yard, pond view with a community pool in Kissimmee, Florida.
Hi Rosalind, sure, working on it. Here's this new listing that fits all your criteria.
So just imagine, nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel a good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. Ooh, it's something magical.
Want to know more about this home? Contact me today for a private tour.
I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high.